Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can share your NFT address or the QR code to receive new NFT in Samsung blockchain wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And from here, open up the blockchain wallet. Next, I'm going to go back to the home page. So I'm just going to log in. Now in here, in the wallet home page, tap on the apps at the bottom. Then tap on NFT at the top here. Next, tap on receive. And this will reveal your address as well as the QR code that you can share. So tap on the share button. And from here, you can share that via messages, messenger, such as Facebook Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp, Skype, and so on. So use your medium that you want to share. And from there, if anyone wants to send you any NFT, you should be able to receive it. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.